All right, so we on day 4 using this Galaxy Book4 Edge 14-inch, and I want to go give y'all a first impressions and everything of me using this coming from an Intel laptop. So we go straight to Snapdragon. That's my main laptop, and I couldn't do that before, and I'm trying to go and let y'all know how it's good with it. And spoiler alert, obviously it's already said that I used it, that means I already unboxed it, so we gonna unbox it again. I never did this before, but it's the first time for everything, so shit, let's do it. All right, man, so look, I was actually looking at this thing for a minute now, like when it first came out, and I was hyped, all right? Because I heard a lot of stuff about Snapdragon X Elite and this whole Copilot stuff. I don't know why I mentioned Copilot, because even though it's cool to me, I don't give a fuck, man, about the button or whatever else. I'm not going to ever use this. What I'm here for is the Galaxy Book4 Edge and the fact that this actually has a pretty powerful Snapdragon processor up in here. So we got a Snapdragon X Elite. So I don't think this is going to compete with the Apple M2 or whatever else, M3, I don't even know what they're on right now. But at the same time, no, this is going to suffice for me. Because look at that boy right there. So I don't know why Samsung keep doing that. They put it in like in a box, and it remind me of that SpongeBob episode.
Gloves, hats, underwear.
But yeah, gang, check this out. So like this looks so dope, man. I'll tell y'all. So I actually got an ARM laptop already by Samsung, and I actually have a couple. I forgot. So I got the Galaxy Book S that's still upstairs, and I got this Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 5G. Jesus Christ, Samsung, cut the shit. At least they made this more a little simple. So they got the Galaxy Book4 Edge over here, and then this is the Book 2 Pro 360 5G. So if I go and unlock that real quick, I guess I'm on Facebook. You can check this out. So we actually got over here, we got the Snapdragon 8CX Gen 3 over here. So over here, we got the Snapdragon X Elite. So I wonder how these gonna be side by side, and I might do a speed test comparison. I don't know, we'll see. But with that, I can't do a lot of work with, because first, that's not fast enough for me, and second, there ain't really no compatibility for real like that yet. Like Google Chrome just made compatibility for Windows on ARM not that long ago. Like damn, it's about time. But like over here, we got the Galaxy Book4 Edge, and we got way more compatibility, so it's still not even really got that many compatible apps with it, which is ass, because I use DaVinci Resolve, and that is compatible with the Snapdragon X Elite, and it's on Windows on ARM, and I've been using it up on here. So if I go and get this up out of there, ooh, that look clean, my boy. Ooh, that blue looks so clean, man. I'm telling y'all, Samsung know how to make a laptop for real look good. They ain't beating that. Like this is like, look at the difference, boy. Ah, come on, Samsung went crazy with this. All right, so yeah, we got the Galaxy Book4 Edge over here. We actually got our charger, so this is gonna be a fast charger, and it's gonna be longer than obviously like your phone cable or something like that. So as you can see over here, pretty like standard size, so that's dope. And then if we go ahead and pull this out right here, we have our, let's go ahead and just zoom in on this, but we got our super fast charger brick, so dope. And then if we go check this out in here, I didn't even open this up yet, but let's see what's in here. So it look like just our user manual, usual books and stuff. So you know what we do with that, we throw it to the side as always. And oh shit, hold on, we got another one. Okay, cool. You know what we do with that, we throw it to the side as always. All right, let's just get into this. All right, so throwing that to the side, that's all we get inside the box, so we don't really get that much. And if we go ahead and just open this up, as you can see here, here's our Galaxy Book4 Edge, and then we got this cover on here, so just take that off. Boom, all you gotta do is turn it on. So by the way, it might seem like it's dead, but it ain't. For some reason, Samsung does this. So what you got to go and do is you're going to plug it in, and then you're going to see that you got some charge in there, and then you can turn it on. So you just got to plug it in for the first time, and then you can use your laptop. So I don't know what's good with that. I don't know why they do that, but like it's definitely clean, bro. I mean, check this out over here. We got like the curves over here on the corners here for the screen. Like that's the first time I really seen it on a Samsung laptop besides at CES. And overall, we just got this keyboard over here. So we do got the dedicated Copilot button, which just reminds me of the Bixby button all over again. But if you check this out real quick, let me go and zoom in. We got that Snapdragon X Elite, boy. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And then we got the Dynamic AMOLED 2X. Overall, it's like a really dope laptop, and you can't really even tell through the camera, but this screen is hitting for real, especially with this wallpaper right here on this AMOLED screen. This look dope. Now, as you can see over here, I don't really think you could tell a little bit, but you kind of can. So if you look at the bezels over here, they are actually not that thick at all. They actually pretty decent. And then we got a Samsung logo here at the bottom, so that's just sleek. We got our standard Samsung buttons over here at the top, so we got our regular function buttons. And if I go ahead and close that up, we got this over here. So we got the Samsung logo off to the left like they've been doing for years now. Looking at the bottom, we have our ventilation. We have our speakers here on the left and the right side. On the left side, if we check out these ports over here, you can see this thing It's slim too, for real though, and it's light. But checking this out, we got 2 USB-C ports. We have a LED indicator to let you know when it's on or not. So it don't look like we got any Thunderbolts in. On the right side, we got a full-size HDMI, which me personally, I don't really care because I would rather have like, I don't know, SD card reader or something, and then we got our headphone jack. But all right, let's go ahead and unlock this with our fingerprint scanner. As you can see here, we got this 120 hertz screen over here. So this is my first 120 hertz laptop. And I'm telling y'all, man, this looks so dope just moving windows around. Like, I didn't even know it was 120 hertz when I first got it. But yeah, overall, just using this for the last 4 days, I am so hyped, man. I love my Samsung stuff. Y'all know me, even though I'm only using like a S20 Ultra right now at the time. I don't know, man. Like, this is so dope. And it's going to work with the Samsung ecosystem, obviously, as you already know. So you're going to be able to use this with your Galaxy Tab. And then you also got apps over here, like we got the Samsung phone. So I've been waiting to get a laptop where we actually got this now. So you can see over here, make and receive calls from your Galaxy Book. And it's going to go ahead and connect to my S20 Ultra. And let me see. I'm going to go and call myself. As you can see right there, it's working. And that's my voicemail. And I can hang that up. Boom, just like that. So dope, man. And then, like I said, you can see over here that we got a bunch of other ecosystem features in this Galaxy Book Experience app. So we got like the Samsung account, we got the Samsung Notes, we got continue apps on other devices. Like, you got all this. But in terms of compatibility and all that, right? So we got DaVinci Resolve. So this is still in beta, but yeah, we got DaVinci Resolve, and that's what I edit with. And I also got my photo editor, which been on Windows on ARM for a minute now. I've been using it on here. I use Paint.net, but yeah, we got DaVinci Resolve Studio 19. So it's the public beta, but again, it works with Windows on ARM, and it's dope, man. It actually worked better than I thought. So if I go to Untitled Project, and let's go ahead and drag in a couple video clips real quick. So I'm gonna put that right there. Change. All right, so it don't really take that long, but I mean, this ain't really gonna be nothing to attest. It's just like a 1080p 4K vertical video. And then if I go ahead and drag this right there, all right, cool. And now let's say I want to go and start editing. Millie, move. Why is he right under the camera? But all right, I want to go ahead and edit, right? So let's go ahead and just start that. I know OnePlus been building out. Okay, I know I screw up a lot when I talk, by the way, but it's dope, man. I'm telling you. Yeah, as you can see over here with the scrolling and everything, it's definitely smooth. It's been really giving me no issues. So, I mean, I like it. Now, how's the performance compared to my Lenovo Yoga 9 with the Intel Core i7? So, it's actually like a little bit slower, maybe, but I'm still trying to figure that out yet. So, like, I really haven't got that much experience yet. But so far with my setup right now, I could definitely edit with that with no issues. So, like, this is like, it's cool to have, but at the same time, though, it gets hot because you know Intel. The battery life is kind of garbage on there. And honestly, I like the screen better on the 14-inch over there. So I don't like no big laptops. That's why I didn't get like the more powerful Galaxy Book4 Edge. Because as cold as that more powerful Snapdragon X Elite is, bro, like I just can't get with a 16-inch laptop, and 14 inches is perfect for me. Pause, bro, no diddy. And that's the crazy thing. I think that's a 14-inch too, but I just like this screen size right here. That's just way better for me. And then this is a 13-inch, so it's a little bit small for me, and then it's just a Goldilocks for me. And the crazy part is I think that's a 14-inch too, but this just seems a little bit smaller. And then we got over here the 13-inch, which is cool, but it's a little bit small for me. And then now we just got the Goldilocks version. So cool. So I'm just saying, so far, I really fuck with this laptop, man. Like, it's really been dope for me. And I love my Samsung laptops, and they delivering on this too. But the only problem I got was the 14-inch only got a 512 gig SSD. And I'm gonna just tell y'all right now, that shit's whack. I don't like that. Hashtag bars. I'm sounding like Flossie Carter right now. But yeah, I'm just saying, like, I know I'm gonna run out of space on this a lot. So I'm gonna have to go and use my external SSD. But it's also whack because I know if I really want to just go ahead and just transfer it to like an SD card or something like that, I could do it if I had something like this, because you can see that we got a slot for that, but nothing up in here. I could literally just keep like a terabyte SD card up in there and I feel like I'll be straight. But no, we don't got that option up on here. Overall, man, Galaxy Book4 Edge, y'all let me know what y'all feel about this in the comments below, because that's my first impressions on it, and that's what I got for y'all so far. And if you want to go and scoop this thing from Samsung, because what I did was I bought it from Samsung and I picked it up from Best Buy, and when I got it, I think it was on sale for like $250 off or some shit like that. But if you want to go and get the version I got the 3.4 gigahertz over here with the 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage. It's gonna run you $1349.99. And then if you want to go and get the 3.8 gigahertz version with the terabyte of storage, you're gonna go ahead and run you about, let's see over here, $1749.99. Woo! That price is definitely out there, my boy, but it might be worth it because I love this thing so far. But keep in mind that there is other Copilot Plus PCs if you want to go and check them out. Like, you're not limited to Samsung. I just like Samsung because I like the ecosystem and I like how it look, and it's just working out for me. But the only thing is, also, I I forgot to mention that this ain't a 2-in-1, so that's probably my first 2-in-1 laptop that I don't got. But anyway, man, let me know what you think about this in the comments below, and I'm gonna go and get some more videos for you, so just stay tuned for that, cause man, this gonna be so dope to play with. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like, and if you really liked it, go and subscribe. Go and follow me on my social media, Eddie Centech on Instagram and X, at Facebook, where Instagram and X are most active. So you can let me know specifically what you trying to see on this Galaxy Book4 Edge, cause I already got ideas for it, but if you got anything too, just let me know and I'll go and throw it up in the list. But with that being said, man, I'm up out of here, so you be smooth. I'm gonna get up with you later. Peace out.